Ever pondered what it means to walk a spiritual path? What if it's more than just rituals and doctrines? Imagine instead a journey of self-discovery, growth and profound transformation. Picture a man named Joseph, a successful lawyer in the bustling city. He had wealth, status and all the material possessions one could desire. Yet, despite his success, he felt an inexplicable void in his life, a gnawing emptiness that material wealth could not fill. One day, while on a business trip, Joseph found himself in an antique bookstore where a dusty old book caught his attention. It was a collection of ancient wisdom filled with teachings about spirituality and the journey of the soul. Intrigued, Joseph spent the night engrossed in the pages. Over the following weeks and months, Joseph started to see his life in a different light. He began to question the purpose of his existence. Was it merely to accumulate wealth? Or was there something more profound, a deeper purpose that he had yet to discover? Inspired by the teachings in the book, Joseph decided to embark on a spiritual journey. He began meditating, practicing mindfulness, and seeking wisdom from various spiritual traditions. He immersed himself in the teachings, not as a religious obligation, but as a way to nourish his soul and understand his true purpose in life. As Joseph walked this path, he found peace and fulfillment that he had never experienced before. He realized that his wealth and status were just superficial layers of his existence. The real treasure, he discovered, lay within him, his spiritual essence. Joseph's journey is not unique. Countless individuals across the world have embarked on similar paths, seeking to discover their true selves and the purpose of their existence. And the beauty of it all? There is no right or wrong path. Each journey is as unique as the individual walking it. Take a moment to reflect. Is there a whisper within you calling you to embark on your own spiritual journey? Could there be more to life than what meets the eye? Remember, the journey is not about reaching a particular destination. It's about growth, transformation, and discovering your true essence. It's about awakening to the profound wisdom that lies within you. So, dare to take the next step. Dare to embark on your own journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Like Joseph, you might just discover a wealth within you that's far more precious than any material possession. Embrace the journey. Embrace the transformation. Because in the grand scheme of things, you're not just a physical being having a spiritual experience. You are a spiritual being having a human experience.